Karangu and Ndegenye, just stop joking. Acheni ni hiyo mzaha mko nayo. Because that's a very serious joke that you are joking. You people mnasema sijui ni nini, sijui ni cloud, sijui ni mchezo, sijui nini. Wacheni mzaha. That guy, personally, I'm a victim. Mimi ashaini approach. And listen, I don't want to talk much about that, but just know. These influencers, sisemi Ndegenye na Karangu amelipwa hapana. But these influencers are paid to influence your kid to homosexuality. Just know that. I'm a victim. Mimi mwenyewe ashaini approach. And listen to me. Just be careful. These people are paid to influence your kid. Not even you. Not even you. No. Your kids to be influenced to homosexuality. So, I felt bad by the way. Nimesikia vibaya vile nimeona wanacheza na hiyo story. Na mimi mwenyewe that guy. Abieni Ndegenye. Kama that was not the deal, I'll offer 20,000. Akuwe too honest. Akuwe honest. And I'll do it. Akuwe too honest. If that was not the deal, I'll give 20,000 to him.